Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jackie. This channel is all about food. It's all about growing a little bit yourself. It's about buying it as close to the producer as you can. And then once you do have it in hand, using it up, preserving it, and making sure that we waste as little as possible. So if that sounds like it's of interest to you, then please do consider subscribing. So today I have done something that I'm sure lots of us have done. I've bought some produce with a particular plan in mind, and I just haven't gotten around to it. And it's actually deteriorated to the point where I can't do what I originally intended to do. So I've bought this okra and I wanted to pickle it, and I didn't get around to pickling it soon enough. And so the okra has deteriorated a little bit. It's still edible, but it's just not appropriate to pickle it. So what I'm going to do today is actually roast it. Now, we actually eat quite a lot of okra. I grow a lot of okra. I live in a subtropical climate, and so okra actually do really well in my climate, in my garden. And what we do is we literally put some oil on it and we put it in the oven, we roast it and we eat it. But today I just thought I would show you a recipe where it's just a little bit more tasty, just doing a little bit more to it and also making a quick sauce. If that sounds like it might be interesting, then stick around. Okay, so we have this okra. Now you can see there's a few little blemishes on it. I've actually had to, I wouldn't have normally, but I've had to actually cut the tops off these because the tops were where it started to deteriorate, I suppose. So we don't normally do that when we roast it, just to make that point. Now, all I'm going to do, I'll turn you around so you can see. Okay, so literally all I'm going to do is to add in. Now, I'm just doing a few of these because this is literally just for my lunch. So I only need a few. I'm home alone today. So I'm just going to chop up a garlic clove. I was going to put 2 in, but I think I might just put the 1. I could have got a bigger knife. Okay, and then now I have some peanut oil. I'm just going to drizzle a little bit of that in, just so that all of the okra get covered, and I'm just going to put in salt and pepper. Just to mix that up, and then put that into a tray. So now I'm just going to put this into a 220-degree oven for 15 minutes. It can be between 10 and 15 minutes, but because these are reasonably big, it'll be 15 minutes. Now, all the sauce has in it is lemon juice, chili sauce, oil, and salt. Now, lemon juice, I just have pulled an ice cube of lemon out of the freezer. I actually bought a bag each of lemons and limes a couple of weeks ago and basically zested them, juiced them, and put it all into the freezer so that I had them on hand for whenever I needed them. So I have that, and then we have a local, this is the wrong way around, but the Village Pickle. They're actually based in Nambour in southeast Queensland, and they make the best chili sauces. So I'm actually going to use they're a fermented chili sauce. They're really cool. This is a Nambour sauce. So I'm just going to put, I don't know, maybe like a tablespoon of chili sauce in. And then I'm just going to put a splash of the peanut sauce and salt. And that's literally all the sauce is. So by the time the okra has cooked, that lemon cube will have melted and I'll be able to show you the finished product. So there you have it. There is our roasted okra and our chili and lemon and a little bit of peanut oil and salt dipping sauce. This is really yummy just with your normal meat and 3 veg, you know, just with some okra in some oil and roasted in the oven. This is just a little bit of extra zhuzh where you could have it as a bit of a starter. but this is scrumptious. So give it a go.